artist, I'm Mariana Olson, and today we're drawing a little pumpkin. Are you ready?
Let's do this.
Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello, little artists! Today we're back. We are finally back after a few months of not drawing anything for you, and we are very, very excited. And today we're gonna start easy. Valentina is here with me. Valentina, wanna say hi?
Hi. Sorry about the thing.
We are going to draw a easy pumpkin for little kids, so I hope you enjoy this lesson. We're gonna be using today these silky crayons that we really love to work with them. You can use whatever you have in hand. You can use color pencils, you can use crayons. We're gonna start with the orange color, and the first thing we're gonna do a big oval shape in the center of the paper. So I wanna start with a curve, and then from the curve I'm gonna go down like this. Okay, so we're gonna do a big oval shape in the center of the paper.
Okay, so we're gonna do this.
Good. Yeah, don't worry too much about the oval shape because we're gonna end up coloring inside, so it's okay if your oval shape is not perfect. We're gonna do one more curve on the left side and another one on the right side. Okay, now let's do the same thing on the bottom. So on the bottom to the left and on the bottom to the right, and I'm gonna try to make them the same size of the ones on the top. Good job. Now we're gonna join from this curve to this one, and it's gonna look like this. I'm gonna make kind of like a big letter C shape, and it's gonna join to this curve. Okay, you go super slow, take your time. Hey, you did it! Good job. Now the beautiful thing about working with these type of crayons is that you can correct your lines. We're gonna color all these in orange, so don't worry about it. Okay, now we're gonna do the same on the other side. I'm gonna start from here. I'm gonna do kind of like a C shape. Now this time it's backwards, and it's gonna join right there. Good job. Now the fun part is we're gonna color all this in orange. This part of the video is gonna fast forward a little, but remember, you can pause the video until you are totally done. So in this part, I'm gonna pause the video because I wanna show you how I leave a little bit of white space to mark kind of like the lines that we did. You don't have to do that part. You can just color completely orange your pumpkin. Good job, Valentina. Valentina's drawing looks so good. Look at that orange. I went a little lighter. I just went with really loose strokes on the crayon, but you can go a little hard and it's gonna look nice and bright like that.
That's good.
Yeah, okay, now we're gonna move on to the stock of the pumpkin. So we are gonna be using a green color. Okay, and we're gonna just do in the middle of our oval shape here, we're gonna do kind of like a line that goes up, goes to the right, and comes back down. And I'm bending a little bit my line. I'm kind of like curving the line here, and then I'm gonna go green inside as well. Okay, so again, I went curve, right, curve.
Okay.
Now make sure with these silky crayons not to put your hand too close to the crayon because it will smear a little bit.
I smeared over here.
It's okay. Good job. Now we are gonna put some details on the face, and remember, you can decorate your pumpkin
with bats and a cat.
Yeah, you can do the eyes in your pumpkin wherever you want. We're just gonna do a simple face. So I'm gonna start if you can still see a little bit of your first oval shape, I'm gonna start outside of that oval shape and I'm gonna put a little eye here, like a circle. And then on the other side of that oval shape, I'm the same thing. I'm gonna do another oval shape. And inside of the first oval shape, I'm gonna do a smile. Is that cute?
Yeah.
Okay, now your turn.
Oh. Got my fingers.
Oh, I love it. Good job. And the very last detail we're gonna do with this pumpkin, we wanna put some rosy cheeks here. You can skip the cheeks. For the cheeks, I'm just gonna go doing circles. You can pick a harder color. Maybe you can pick a red color if you would like your cheeks to show up more. I'm just doing simple circles here underneath the eyes, and that's gonna be my cheeks. You wanna do that too?
Yeah. Bum, 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 bum. Bum.
Okay, now that we have the cheeks, you can choose to decorate your pumpkin. We are gonna do some quickie decorations around it. This part of the video is gonna go fast again. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how our pumpkins turn out. Valentina decided to go and decorate her pumpkin a little bit more around it, and I loved it. You did such a good job. You are an artist, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I hope it was easy for you to follow. And remember, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because we're gonna be posting every week. So see you next time.
Bye. Happy October.